How can you get the iPad to recognize your voice? Let's talk about it. If you're new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Now, there are more things you might have in mind. First of all, your voice might be recognized for typing. This can be set up for, inside of the settings app. When you go to the general and then tap on keyboards, you'll be able to find the dictation, which is, in other words, voice typing, right? So it's going to recognize your voice, make sure it's turned on and the language is set up properly. And now you can find any place on the keyboard, wherever it's available. Tap on the microphone icon and you'll be able to dictate right away to your iPad. Outside of that, there are more things you might have in mind for the voice recognition. There is also the voice control feature. Inside of the accessibility settings of your iPad, you can literally find the voice control section indicated by a blue icon, and you can turn it on, choose the language of your choice, the commands, the vocabulary, and you'll be able to just control the behavior of the iPad with your voice. So your voice needs to be recognized for it, and therefore you need to have that turned on, right? So that is just another approach of getting your iPad to recognize your voice. And lastly, we have the Siri virtual assistant, which just means that, you can go to the Apple Intelligence and Siri, make sure it is turned on under the Talk to Siri, and you can see that we have the option to say Siri or Hey Siri, but when you do this, you kind of have to turn it on and also just say the phrase a few times so the voice gets recognized on your iPad. So whenever you talk to your iPad, you'll be able to turn on the Siri just by your voice. So that's it from me. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do and achieve what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials.